Hi there everyone. I thought that I would make a Sunday afternoon evening routine video for you today. So being a family of 5, we always have heaps and heaps of washing, and Sunday is a big catch-up day for washing, hanging it out, bringing it in, folding it. We do get the kids to help a little bit, but hubby and I mainly work together on this. I am a very fast folder, so I do most of the folding in our house and it's just never ending. So Sunday's a good day to catch up, although I do try to wash most days of the week as well. I mainly fold on the dining room table. You can see we've got a new dining room table. This round one works really well in our space. And then it's clean sheet day. Every Sunday, unless we're away, we always wash the sheets and put new ones on. Hubby today has put the fresh sheets there and I'm just making the bed. And it's great if you can do it earlier in the afternoon rather than leaving it to just before you fall into bed, because it's just nice to get into a made bed. I'm just having a little rest here, reading my book. When possible, I like to make something, some snacks or something for the week that I can use to take to school. This day I was making some bliss balls, some keto peanut butter bliss balls. I'll put the recipe underneath this video. I didn't make the recipe up, I just found it online, and it's quite yummy. Look at those cute little bliss balls. It's good to do a little bit of housework. We do get the kids involved, but this day I was just doing some vacuuming. We have a robot vacuum cleaner as well, but I find that doing a bit of a weekly vacuum is really great to keep on top of everything. I'm pretty excited to show you my very new product. It's from Vamped and it's a microdermabrasion skincare kit, and I'm using it for the first time in this video. First of all, I cleanse and I wash that off using my Bohemian skin face cloth. And then here is the kit. It looks so great. I've got the white one, it comes in black as well. And what I love about this is it's got a little thermal disc on the bottom that can heat and can also cool. It only takes a few seconds. So what I'm doing here after cleansing is just using the heating element to open up my pores. So I'm just pushing that across my skin, gliding that across my skin. And I did find later that it was really effective to put some jojoba oil on there, just a drop of jojoba oil, and it made it glide even easier. So now I am just changing the settings to make it the microdermabrasion part, and I'm using the other end of the wand to do this. So you just hold the skin taut and you just push it across your skin, and it's amazing. There are different suction levels. It goes up to level 4. On this particular day, see the different suction levels. On this particular day, I decided to go with level 2 because I found that that was great for my skin, and you can see it working really nicely there. So you just hold the skin taut and you just don't go across the skin like that, keeping it away from the eye area, that delicate skin there. But it just feels so great, and you can see my skin starting to redden up. After that treatment, I change it to the cool element down the bottom, and you can see this is real time. It only takes a few seconds, a few moments for it to cool down, and that closes the pores up afterwards. It feels so nice on the skin after having that exfoliator, that extreme exfoliator action. I really love this product, and I do have a discount code for you, which is Kafoople15, and I'll put a link to it underneath this video as well. Then just turning it off, and it comes with a charging cable, so you just charge it up before you use it, and it also comes with some spare filter pads to put inside the thing. So I use some Sukin at the moment, some Sukin moisturizer with some jojoba oil, and just putting it onto my skin afterwards is really nice. I'm doing this weekly now, every Sunday afternoon or evening, and it's great. I love it. Sunday nights, I also do a bit of classroom prep, a bit of lesson prep, planning out my day for Monday, and if I'm really good, I plan out the week or even just a few days in advance, and that just makes life a little bit easier later on. A nice Sunday evening dinner is always good with the fam. We were just having some sausages that night and some salad and a bit of conversation. Wherever possible, I like to get the family around the table. Not every night, but a lot of nights. It's just really good to connect and to have a conversation and to chat. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. You may also enjoy these other videos of mine. Let me know in the comments what you enjoyed about this, and if you would like to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching.